And this is working.
Oh, there's 6 of us.
We're gonna say hi to Steph. We're gonna go find Steph. Oh my god.
Hey.
This is live.
That's a stop sign. That's a stop
I
sign.
forgot where I'm going. Oh, okay. Hold on.
Dylan doesn't know where he's
I know where I'm
going.
going.
That way.
Oh my god. Dylan is a great driver.
Lay down your
Okay.
arms. Give up.
See ya.
Find our shade.
What about that dream thing? I like that one.
My complexion. I'll take all the shade I can get.
Oh, tell me about it.
But I
I'm
didn't.
impressed. We're waiting for Steph to come out, and
Who's we?
me and Charlie,
Oh.
Charlie and Samantha, and Dill. Oh, that was good. And okay, this is what my stomach feels like right now. It feels like 99-cent 20-ounce coffee
Stop
from
that.
Dunkin' Donuts.
People are
That's
gonna like
so
that.
annoying. No, they're not gonna like that. 20-ounce coffee from
I don't
Dunkin'
like it
Donuts.
either.
Well, I didn't drink all of it, but I
You
drank
didn't?
it. I drank it till my stomach started to hurt, and
Oh,
that's
and
like a good sign.
you had a lot of sugar
And
in
then
it too.
and then bean dip at the Dylan's Deuces party, and then we played Pyramid, and I got fucked.
She did actually get fucked.
I didn't-
Because, well, it's fuck Renee and then stop it.
Truth
You tweeted
is,
this.
Sam predicts everything in court, and I'd only seen like 0 episodes before today, but today I saw 2 episodes in a row, and so
Whoa.
like, I'm really like up on how good Sam is at predicting Legend. Are you actually filming this?
Hold on.
It's going. It's
Recording.
It's recording. People are gonna like this.
The dramatic. The dramatic build.
This is so dramatic. Oh my god. Oh my god. It's Dylan. I got you a gift.
For me? Oh, this is just what I wanted.
Plates and then
Oh my god, you.
card. But open it up. It's really exciting. Right?
What?
It's a high five.
Oh my gosh,
I know. I'm really talented.
That's
so cute.
Oh my
I
gosh.
know. I worked
I'm
so
glad you-
I just want to always be in your arms. I'm taking a selfie.
The selfie was up like above your head, though. So my first view when I like ran out here was you going like this. I was like, oh my god, Renee's teeth are here. And I was like, oh,
Occupy save the glass.
I can't wait to go to the arch with you.
The romance is palpable.
Right over the threshold.
okay, we're good.
Hi, sorry for not being calm.
Oh my god.
Whatever. Hey guys, look, we ran into Steph.